How to search in the BUE Library Catalouge. The BUE Library owns different types of information resources, not only electronic resources but also printed resources. In this video, we will learn together how to search for the printed resources like books, references and dissertations, or CDs and DVDs which the library owns in both English and Arabic. First, you need to access the library's website. Once you access the library's website, you will find the search box. You can start with the simple basic search, which allows you to search the library catalog using many search options like keyword, title, author, subject, ISBN, series or call number. Simply enter your search term. Choose any of these types from the drop-down menu, and then click the search button to perform your search. For example, you can type digital marketing in the search box for a title search. By hitting enter, you will get a results page, where you can find the total number of results. Scroll down so you can choose the required result. You can sort the results according to relevancy, which is set as a default, or date of publication, or alphabetically by title or author. Once you click on the required result, you will be able to see title and author, date of publication and edition, items, subjects or keywords. To locate any item on the shelf, you need to use these four indicators. Item type. This symbol shows whether the item is a book, reference, CD or DVD or textbook. Current location, it shows the exact floor where the item is located. Call number, the exact location of the item on shelves. Status, the current status of the item. Available means that the item is available on the shelf. Checked out means the item is checked out and should be returned by the due date shown. If all the copies of a book are checked out, you can place hold/reserve that book with the help of the librarian at the circulation desk. You can use the advanced search option if you would like to combine more than one search term using the Boolean operators, and, or, not. You can also limit your search with the item type, book, textbook or CD. For example, if you required a book for Kotler on principles of marketing, access the advanced search. Type principles of marketing in the first search box as a title. Type Kotler in the second search box as an author. Select and as a Boolean operator. Check next to book borrowing icon to refine your results using item type. Click search. Thanks for watching.